Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to make a shortcut for our color correction. So to make a shortcut for our color correction options, we have to go to settings first. Then we are looking for accessibility options here and visual enhancements. And here is our color correction menu. By default, it's of course turned off. If you want to turn it on, we have a few different options here, and color correction shortcut enabled. Let's see. Let's add our button in bottom right corner, as you can see. And now we can turn on or off color correction with our chosen filter by just tapping this little button here. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.